And welcome to your ASX chart of the day for today, Tuesday the 30th of May 2023. Today we're looking at Brickworks Limited, ticker code BKW, obviously big in the production and manufacture of various building products both in Australia and in North America. Reported well in March, and their presentation on their North American operations earlier in May went down well. Let's just have a look at what the price action is doing today that has caught our interest. I've started on the weekly chart just to give you context. This is highs not seen since mid 2021. You can see there, sort of got stuck here in July 2021. And you can see on the weekly chart we've pushed above this 2580 level. That looks like a change in long-term sentiment. We can see here we've been on an uptrend really since that report in March. We moved up to this 28.50, a little bit of a retracement along with most of the market. And then since really the 8th of May has continued to move higher. Looked as though we were going to close above this 25.50 level in yesterday's trading, but just pulled back to it, and now we're getting that move up to test 26. Whichever way you slice it, this looks like buying pressure is coming into this stock. Difficult to pick a price target on this, but one would suggest that in their normal range, it usually is around about $1.50 if we look at previous ranges that this trades in. So it wouldn't surprise us to see it push up towards 27.50 or so in the medium term. It's not going to be a flyer, one to be patient with undoubtedly, but check out where that candle is towards the back end of the session today. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.